CleanAIR introduces Basic. The time-proven respiratory unit got a new look and incorporates the newest technology. In combination with the appropriate head top, offers the highest respiratory protection. The package includes a powered air-purifying respirator, particle filter, belt, accumulator, charger, hose, airflow meter, and user manual. The contents of the package may change according to the specifications. Putting on the belt and backpack. Align the unit with the belt so that the labels are oriented in the same direction. Thread the belt strap through the holes in the unit and the belt in the correct order as shown in the video. Finally, thread the strap into the plastic clip and tighten it. When attaching the unit to the backpack, proceed similarly to the belt. The strap on the backpack comes out of the hole labeled Basic. Then, thread the strap through the holes in the unit again, through the holes in the backpack, and secure it in the plastic buckle. When using the backpack, use the designated short hose. Inserting and removing the accumulator. The package includes an accumulator and a charger. Slide the battery onto the connector at the bottom of the unit. To remove the battery, unlock the latch and remove the accumulator. Select the appropriate plug for your country on the charger. To charge, insert the plug into the battery. The accumulator can also be charged without removing it, directly in the unit. Insert the charger into the socket. Charging is complete when the red light goes out. Filter replacement. To replace the filter, remove the front cover of the unit by unlocking the side latches. Take out the old filter and detach the pre-filter from it. A black odor insert or a white pre-filter is available for the filter. Wrap the pre-filter or odor insert around the filter and secure it at the end with tape. Insert the assembled filter into the unit and snap the front cover back into the side latches. Connecting the unit to the head top. Connect the hose using the thread on one side of the hose. Connect the other side of the hose with the quick lock connector by clicking on the head top. Switching on the unit, setting and signaling the display. You control the unit using one button on the top of the unit. Long press the button to turn the unit on and off. Press repeatedly to set the required airflow. The colored diodes on the display show you the battery charge status, the airflow level, and the filter contamination status. If the unit is unable to deliver the required airflow, the audio-visual and vibrating alarm is triggered. Airflow meter. Screw the airflow meter onto the unit and switched it on. The flow rate is sufficient if the cone is in the green zone. If the cone is in the red area, try to replace the filters with new ones. If the airflow is still not sufficient, contact your service center. Additional accessories and features. CleanAIR offers multiple harnesses, belts, and other accessories for the unit. Visit our website for more information. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.